Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jacobs. Ever feel like your stomach is constantly bloated no matter what you eat? The truth is, certain foods could be triggering gas, bloating, and digestive discomfort, even ones you think are healthy. Today, I'll reveal the top foods that cause bloating and what to eat instead, so you can finally feel light, energized, and bloat-free. Lactose intolerance affects nearly 70% of adults worldwide, and even if you're not fully intolerant, dairy can still cause bloating, gas, and digestive issues. Milk, cheese, and even healthy yogurts often contain lactose, a sugar that many people struggle to digest. If you experience bloating after dairy, try switching to lactose-free alternatives like almond, coconut, or oat milk. White bread, pasta, and pastries may taste great, but they can be a nightmare for digestion. These refined carbs cause rapid blood sugar spikes, water retention, and inflammation, all leading to bloating. If you struggle with bloating, try switching to gluten-free whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or sweet potatoes for steady energy without the discomfort. Sugar-free products might seem like a good idea, but they often contain artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sorbitol, and sucralose. These chemicals are poorly digested and ferment in your gut, causing bloating, gas, and even stomach cramps. Instead, use natural sweeteners like raw honey, stevia, or monk fruit for a gentler effect on your gut. Yes, veggies are great for you, but did you know that broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage can cause major bloating? These cruciferous vegetables contain sulfur compounds and raffinose, a type of sugar that ferments in the gut, leading to excess gas. To reduce bloating, try steaming or roasting these vegetables to make them easier to digest. Carbonated drinks trap gas in your digestive system, leading to instant bloating. And alcohol? It irritates the gut lining, slows digestion, and causes water retention, making bloating even worse. If you want a bloat-free belly, swap soda for herbal teas, lemon water or coconut water, which support digestion and hydration. To reduce bloating, focus on gut-friendly foods like ginger, cucumbers, avocados, and fermented foods like kimchi or kefir. These help calm inflammation, support digestion, and prevent bloating naturally. If you're ready to take control of your digestion and reduce inflammation, my book Eat to Heal walks you through the ASTR Diet, a science-backed approach to healing through food. Click the link below to grab your copy today.